enthusiastic tone. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to your channel name. Today I've got an essential guide for you on how to transfer your USDT from OKX to Binance safely and securely. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Alright, before we dive in, let's make sure we have everything we need. First, you'll need your OKX wallet with the USDT and the seed phrase handy. Here's the seed phrase we'll be using for this example. Alarm fetch churn bridge exercise tape speak race clerk couch crater letter. Remember, never share your seed phrase with anyone. It's just for this demonstration. Step 1. Let's head over to Binance to get our deposit address. Log into your Binance account, navigate to the wallet section, and click on deposit. Select USDT from the list of cryptocurrencies. You'll see options for different networks like ERC20 and TRC20. Choose the one that best suits your needs, ERC20 for Ethereum or TRC20 for Tron, for example. Copy the generated deposit address. Next, let's move to OKX. Log into your OKX account, go to the wallet section and select Withdraw. Choose USDT as the currency. Paste the deposit address from Binance into the recipient address field. Ensure you select the same network you chose on Binance, ERC20 or TRC20. Input the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Always double-check the address to avoid mistakes. Confirm the transaction and enter any necessary authentication codes sent to your email or phone. After confirming the withdrawal, you'll receive an email from OKX to verify the transaction. Click the confirmation link in the email. Now, it's a waiting game. Transaction times can vary depending on the network congestion, but once the transaction is confirmed, you should see your USDT in your Binance account. You can check the status in the transaction history section on OKX and Binance. And that's it. You've successfully moved your USDT from OKX to Binance. A few tips to keep in mind: always ensure you're sending crypto over the correct network, and double-check all addresses and details. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, happy trading and stay safe out there. Smiling. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crypto tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.